And
now.
3, 2, 1. This is Blowing Steam, January 28, 2018. I'm Will.
I'm Melissa.
And I'm Zyron.
And today we're talking about the Lafayette Maker Faire, the Glowforge, and new stuff with Conquer3D.
Woo!
Awesome.
So, it's coming. It's coming really fast.
Holy crap, yeah.
March 24th, correct?
Yes.
March 24th, 2018. Lafayette is having its first ever Maker Faire, and I'm super pumped.
Yeah.
I'm super panicking
official.
too. Yes, official.
It's official. It's on Facebook.
Wow.
It's Facebook official now.
Nice. Okay.
So, we still have to work on an air cannon, and I propose we do that sooner rather than later.
Okay.
So we need to work on that hard.
Yeah.
But also,
Why did you promise an air cannon?
because I want to build an air cannon.
Was that the compromise as opposed to the fire cannon that was requested?
No, the air cannon is the fire cannon.
Oh dear Lord.
It would blow powder, and then it would ignite the powder.
Oh God.
Yes, I'm super pumped.
I was hoping this was a compromise.
Basically, it'll just be a mechanized fire breather guy thing.
Oh,
Yeah.
why?
All right, so I'm super excited for it. It's going to be at the Lafayette Science Museum, downtown Lafayette. They're also closing down the side street, Little Congress, for us to host.
That's not Congress.
That little section is Congress.
That is?
Yeah.
It's kind of
Past that, it
Congress.
goes 2nd Street.
Oh.
Congress like turns.
Okay. I didn't realize it went on that far.
Yep.
It's like old Congress.
Okay.
Anyways.
So I'm super excited because they're closing down the street right next to the science fair. We need to come up with a graphic or a poster at some point.
By we you mean me.
Well, I'll provide the original concepts.
Yeah.
But I'm super excited for that because I want it to definitely say race the historic street of downtown Lafayette because it's only on that one street segment because they're closing that. We may have to show the street with the blacksmithing demo.
That just adds excitement.
That does sound exciting. Ukraine out of control, flying coals.
Oh my god. No.
Okay. In other news, we brought a little bundle of joy here,
Bundle of joy.
and I wanted to show you, or we wanted to show you the stuff that we did on the Glowforge. So this is new stuff for us. Remember, you saw the Glowforge ruler, Founder's ruler.
Yeah, out of the material.
The proof grade material.
Proof grade.
So these are our own materials now. So let's start off with the wood one.
Was it the pinkish plywood? Or which one did y'all end up getting? I forgot.
We ended up getting the one that is 5 millimeters at Home Depot, and I don't remember what it was.
Okay.
But there you go. We now know what speeds it will cut at.
Okay, so this is...
Full power, different speeds.
Okay.
Don't punch out that one.
Okay, yeah.
That shows how kind of loose it is. We didn't feel like rewording everything, so I manually wrote it in. This is 125 speed, this is 150, 175, and each one goes up 25 speed.
Okay,
So-
so this isn't the actual...
No, the numbers... The
numbers that are engraved.
numbers mean nothing.
Okay.
It was for a different laser.
But now I know what speeds it will
It seems
cut
like you
at full
could...
power.
It seems like you could go... Oh, okay. So 150 is...
Yeah. Somewhere
Pretty much
between
the
150 and 175, it stops.
Okay. Nice.
And so if you take a look at it, you see how 175,
Yeah.
it's just not enough.
I'm noticing these corners, though.
Yeah, for
Like
the corners, it's slowed down enough to go all the way through.
Yeah.
For every corner.
Nice. Okay.
But this one's for the engraving.
Wait, so like...
This was full speed, different power
Sticky.
levels.
What is that?
The tape.
It's the masking tape.
Oh.
We put masking tape on it.
So now I know what speed is also the not sticky one, which is, I think...
45.
Or what gradient.
Right. And this is percent black because the way that it'll read it is you can put up a gradient.
Mhm.
This is 0% black, that's 100% black, and that's how
Yeah.
power intense it is.
Okay. So does the power intensity also affect how far down it engraves?
Yes.
Well, I think you can feel that right there at 100
Yeah.
compared to 60.
True, but
Yeah, like up here it just kind of burns it. Down here it's like actually removing material.
I see.
which is weird. You expect it to get darker, but then it lightens up again.
Yeah.
So it appears as though the sweet spot there on the gradient is between 40 and 60.
Okay.
And I think 40 is still a little sticky.
Yeah, 40 is still sticky.
All right, so 45 I think was like just barely, it's tolerable. 45 is tolerable.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think we've been doing like 50 to 70 is what I've been using.
Yeah.
I see.
Or 100 if we're not doing like wide spaces. If you're just doing like words and lines,
Oh.
full intensity is like awesome. Because like the numbers were done full intensity.
Now I'm seeing that you have masking tape right here, and then
Yes.
it just disintegrates, and then it's gone.
Yes.
Right.
Okay.
That's what's happening.
How do you think it would have fared if you didn't have masking tape and just did the wood itself?
It just would have been
It would have
like
been like, bleh,
smoky.
Okay.
bleh. They would have been bleh all over the place.
Okay.
I like how the things are smoky whenever it... So you can see the
Yeah.
flashback there.
Cool. Nice.
So now, the acrylics.
Oh, I'm excited.
Same 2 tests. We didn't pull the cover off of this side, but it's off the other
really
side.
Cool.
Isn't it?
You'll notice that we did use a lot of scrap acrylics, so there's stuff on the other side. But
There's stuff on the back side of that one.
That's really cool. It's a very consistent, like, matte finish.
oh yeah,
That's really cool. And seems
Same
to be the
result.
same result on this one.
right. So in terms of cut, it does not appear as though.
At least for this thickness.
Mhm.
And those are not quite the same thickness.
But you can definitely see like the decreasing depth of the cut.
Yeah.
Because, like I said, for that one, the only difference is the cuts. Is
You
the
can
cut
watch it.
speed.
You can actually see how far it cut on these if you look on the side.
Mhm.
That's really cool.
And just all you have to do is add 25 on each thing as
Yeah.
it goes up. So.
Nice.
So we decided to do our very first, our own designs on our own materials thing. So go ahead
This
and
was the first
unleash the kitty.
Yeah, you showed me that on wait, this looks that's the same thickness. Huh.
Yeah,
It's the same
material.
piece of
Yeah.
wood.
Wow. It's a lot thicker than I thought it would be.
Well,
Nice.
whenever it's something small, it looks thicker.
Was this with 100 and this 50?
No,
For
I
the
think-
engraving?
Yeah.
No.
They were both the same?
No, this one was a higher number than this one.
That's
Which
the
is why
point I
this
was
one's
getting
darker.
at.
Yeah. This one, that one was like, I don't think I had I
Let's
didn't have it at
compare it
90.
to the.
I think it was
reference.
80 and 60 was
Yeah.
the 2 that I used.
I'm still
The lighter
baffled
one's
by
80.
how clean it comes out.
Right? I was really impressed.
Did y'all have masking tape on these?
Yes.
Oh, absolutely.
That's why it's so clean.
Everything had masking tape.
Okay. Cool.
All right, so then we experimented with engraving,
Oh my gosh.
multi-level engraving.
That is adorable.
Thanks.
I love them.
With those 2, we did this
Those
test
look
where we
really, really deep cuts.
I converted the line art to cuts instead
Yeah.
of engraved. That one was
That-
engraved.
This one definitely looks the better, but I do like how these are darker. If there is a
Right.
way to like maybe pass over it a second time to scorch it,
No,
or
I think it's
something?
too scorched.
yeah,
These are gonna end up as gonna be the ones we're gonna use.
nice. I
Basically.
love the design. It's so cute.
Thanks. I worked hard on it like a year ago.
When we were, originally expecting to receive the Glowforge.
Yeah.
Well, I made this cat design for something else. I just doodled it and then I loved it.
Nice.
And then
So then we cut out a couple of acrylic pieces.
this is the 3rd time we tried cutting this.
Yeah, that was the third
And we
time.
finally got one that came out right because something went weird with the acrylic, but we got this.
Whoa. Ah. Wow. The edges come out so nicely.
When it cuts right.
When it
Yeah.
cuts right. Yeah, we
Like
tried.
I can
We
tell
had
there's
some
a
weird
little bit
setting
of texture.
issues.
There's a little bit of texture on the
And
sides
the first
here.
ones we did didn't even come out. And we're still not sure what exactly went wrong.
So what happened was that for these, we just ended up our manual settings and said it wasn't proof grade. But for these original calibration tests, we did say it was proof grade, and it cut just by itself. I don't know, but after we moved to manual settings,
Everything worked.
everything worked. So I mean, ta-da! Yay for calibration.
Yeah.
Calibration testing.
Boop.
Yee boop.
That was just something
Nice.
I doodled in Illustrator with just. I had nothing to trace. I just went with a pen tool and was like, boop. And just wrote
Nice.
boop.
So I guess the last thing we're going to talk about is there any
Nope.
any other?
I was
All right.
making sure.
So Conquered this year, we're doing 50% Maker Fairs, 50% Weeaboos.
Awesome.
And so what we're going to be doing is we want to make something that would really resonate with the maker community.
Mhm.
We think we got it. We're about to unveil the t-shirt design.
Oh.
Did you get a picture of this yet?
I did, but I think it was the white one. That. I love
What do
it.
you think?
I love
A
it.
little
It's great.
wood dust on it.
Did you make the paintbrush and caliper design?
Like
Wow.
that's all OG art. So we could
Awesome.
sell it anywhere.
Yeah.
It would actually count at every single convention that we go to, and at every Maker Faire we'll get permission to sell like
Awesome.
merch at. And
I got
so
be a maker, not a hater.
this is going to debut at the Lafayette Makers Faire.
Awesome.
So I saw that.
I don't know what you're talking about.
It's going to debut at the Lafayette Makers Faire where hopefully we will sell out. And then we'll move on to hoodies and
We'll get more sizes.
mugs.
Yeah.
Depending on
Thank
how
you
well
for
these
helping us during
do.
Pledge Week.
Yes. Oh my
PBS.
gosh.
Depending on how well these do, we'll get more merchandise with the be a maker, not a hater on it.
Make a mouse pad because I'll use it.
Yeah, I'm sure
Custom
Vistaprint will let
order.
us do one or two.
Yeah,
I think.
we have options.
Yeah. I think Vistaprint takes smaller orders.
We didn't put these on Instagram.
Oh,
No, we didn't do these on Vistaprint at all.
We did order new business cards though.
cool.
Yeah, new design, all new design. They too will be debuting at Maker Faire.
Those will be debuting at PostCon.
This is
Yes.
the noisiest chair in the world.
I'm sure that this will be lovely on the recording, you guys. You can't sit still for nothing.
Sorry.
Kidding.
My chair's not squeaky though.
It's not too squeaky. But in any case, I mean, is there anything that you guys have left? Because I think that wraps it up for today.
This is just what I wanted to show off my adorable little kitty charms.
Anything new in making for you, Siren?
Not really. I've been working more on the software side of things because of school, so that's been taking up most of my time.
Right.
Yeah.
Well, my understanding is that
I've
now
been
you got the
making
camera, though.
games.
Well, hopefully we'll be able to see that soon.
Yes.
But what I wanted to say was that now that you got the camera, I'm hoping to get some footage off of you rolling around Lafayette. So
Yes.
I can't wait. This is going to be
I
harrowing. Hopefully we'll catch one of those situations that...
think this would actually go on the helmet. Like just. I think that
you
would fit.
break it, you buy it.
Okay.
Well,
Well, this is a budget alternative, so and for some reason looks better than the GoPro.
It does. I do like the video quality of that
Oh.
one. All right, well, let's go ahead and wrap it up for today.
Okay.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good week.
Bye.